Transition was good. The professors, IT professors were good. The industry experts had a very good knowledge with programming. All the modules which are required for a data scientist, everything is covered in data science, AI, Python programming, and everything. Like everything is there, and everything is started from the basics. So obviously, it is good enough. Yeah. And I will suggest everybody, like anyone who asks me, to enroll in this course. Earlier, I've done my bachelor's in BCA from Interface University, Delhi, and in this IntelliPath, I have enrolled in executive post-graduation certification in data science and AI from IIT Roorkee. Right after my bachelor's, I joined this course. I joined this and because I wanted to make my career and shift into data science field, uh, like data science and AI field rather than full stack development. So I am confident enough to pursue my career in this field. Why? Because IntelliPath had started all the topics, all the modules from the very basics. So it was not like some prerequisite knowledge was required for this course. So when it was started from basics, so obviously you feel a bit confident once you start growing step by step into that particular field in that particular course or domain. It is very important to know the base of the model, the theory of the model, before getting into the programming. So since he was an IT professor, so he taught us very well all the theoretical concepts. Since it was clear, then only the programming thing became very clear to us. If the basics were not clear, then it would have been it would become very difficult for us to understand the programming concepts. It's very easy to use. It's not like something very complicated, and also all the like recordings, everything are uploaded within 24 hours. So it is very easy for us to just attend the live sessions and then go through the recordings. And all the assignments and projects were also good. After getting the knowledge, programming knowledge, and then actually practicing it and getting hands-on knowledge, experience on it makes you better in the particular thing. If something is not actually clear in live classes, then the pre-recorded lectures which are there and the self modules which are there, it becomes helpful to understand that particular concept if we don't get it through the live videos. And the one-on-one sessions which are also available on the LMS portal, through which we can book and get a one-on-one session, that is also very helpful. All the modules which are required for a data scientist, everything is covered in data science, AI, Python programming, and everything. Everything is there, and everything is started from the basics. So obviously, it is good enough. Yeah. And I will suggest everybody, like anyone who asks me, to enroll in this course. The help I received from IntelliPad was even after so many help is available online, ChatGPT, YouTube videos and all. But in IntelliPad, since live sessions are there, you can ask any doubt you want. You have right at that moment. It really helps you, because in YouTube videos or anywhere wherever you study, it's not like you can actually no, they can in detail get your doubts and solve your doubts. So that is one thing.